looking good. All right, 360 miles in, about 20 minutes from the house. We found this car wash, self-serve car wash, middle of nowhere. The wheels are looking pretty dirty. Not bad though, 360 miles. I'm just gonna use the pressure washer that they have here, because I don't need all the other stuff. Just gonna wash it, spray it off, and meet up with the boys and ladies. This doesn't even work.
Stupid prick.
If you see this at a car wash, don't freaking use it. Look how hard these brushes are. It's gonna scratch up your paint. Pretty good, man. Diego, you gonna subscribe to my OnlyFans?
I am. I think I already am.
Yo, that's a pretty cool dash on your NSX.
Thanks, man.
Is that a full Apple CarPlay?
Yeah. So it's a 3D printed thing that an NSX owner made. that he sells, and it mounts to the back of one of these like universal Apple CarPlay things. That then taps into the power that used to power the clock that goes there.
Oh.
You pull out the clock thing, you put in this 3D printed thing and anchors. This thing anchors into the back of it. My phone sends its audio through a Bluetooth adapter that's integrated into my regular car system. So, but all the Apple CarPlay stuff comes up here. So it's like having regular ass Apple CarPlay
that's
for
so
any
sick.
other car.
My arch nemesis, the Lambo that beat me. Pretty badass though. I'll take the L. Wow.
5 years? No, but Rivian's carrying 3 canisters for me, so.
Oh my god, it feels so good in here.
Aside the S4, I was an idiot. I did a
Okay.
60 horsepower.
So I'm technically flex fuel, but I haven't tested it. And I'm not going to test it this far from home. Yeah.
Wow.
Now I'm supposed to be able to go from doing 100% and confident, but I've never actually tested it. No, it's flexible. It's flexible. So they tap into the turn line, and
Gonna ride in this. First time riding in a Lambo. A Tail of the Dragon, no less. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Dude, I could drive this every day.
it's, I'm sorry, that's awesome.
Like, oh my god.
I'm just not sure I can handle this pace.
Yeah, this guy is nuts too. His first time too, I think. Porsche owners, man. PTS tape, PTS card.
Matches.
Yep.
Along the engine body, down in here, it looks like a throttle plate, right? You can see it?
Oh yeah, I see it.
So when the throttle plate is closed, maximum downforce, air builds up, goes over the wing, gives you downforce. When that throttle plate opens, air goes in here up the stalk and into the bottom of the wing. And if you look at the bottom of the wing, there's all these vents. And so it comes out the bottom of the wing and it's like pressure.
Oh damn! Because when I first saw it, I was like, ALA. Where does it move though?
Right. And it does something in the front too. Like I don't know exactly how the front works, but it does not. That's the thing. It's not the wing. It just redirects the air. So it redirects the air up through the stalk and into the bottom of the wing, and then it comes out the bottom of the wing and equalizes the pressure. And so when I'm
Oh, we're doing a photo shoot here. If you're wondering what gas mileage you'll get on Tail of the Dragon with an RS6 Stage 2, 11, not bad. science, man. How?
Right.
Race car problems.
Like not even 2 miles from the house.
I thought you said you had like 70
It
miles.
did. It just started it just started disappearing.
Well, I think because the uphill is like this and the gas is coming down.
Did
this
you do
way.
a launch?
Yeah.
The fuel indicator is for regular fuel, E85.
Riding in the GT4 today, baby. And the next gas station we stopped at was on an Indian reservation, which was super cool. Never been to one before, and honestly, this is not what I expected an Indian reservation to look like, but at least now I know that it's just like a normal city. So here, the couple that were in this Jaguar, they were okay. Luckily, the flat happened when we were going at a very slow speed because we were in a national forest, and so not bad. I mean, we ended up picking them up at midnight, but it's okay. And our friends in the Jaguar, they did not get eaten by a bear, thankfully. Apparently there's crazy bears in the forest. Who would have thought? Not me. I thought the 3 bears and that girl was just a story, a fairy tale. But it's not, it's real.
Yeah, if I see some bear, that would be awesome.
Think you can bring it home if you find a bear?
I don't know if I could bear it if I saw a bear.
I could barely understand you.
That's one time I went bareback.
Damn it, I'm all out
It's
of...
the bare necessities. This is like a chat man right now. Dude.
My car is bare bones right now.
My car is bone stock.
Overall, the event was, I would say, a 6 out of 9. I definitely would give it a full 9 if I saw a wild animal, and that didn't happen this year, so maybe next year.
Delicious. After that, we have some ribeye steak for you. It is more rare to the front, more well done towards the back. If anybody would like this steak cooked more, I've kept the grill going. I'm happy to throw any steak back on for you. Just let me know.
And luckily, the chef didn't burn down the house. And apparently, you can just pour beer on a grill that's on fire. The more you know.